Bren here. Are you guys ready to draw? I am. But before we do that, I first would like to give a shout out to TJ Connor Elementary. This is the shirt they gave me after I painted a mural there last fall. Okay, most of the info is in the back. I'm going to try to show you all of them. Alright, I do love the graphic in front of the shirt. It's heart, some paws, and a paintbrush. I love it. Oh, just a little side note. I just want to warn you that my hair is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger as the series go on because my barber shop is closed and a lot of the shops are closed these days. So this morning I'm going to eventually look like an Asian Bob Ross. My hair is going to be huge, okay? Alright, so it is time to choose the mashup for today. As you may recall, this is from the Deca School in Warren, Massachusetts, a hand-drawn piece. I love it. Okay, so I received about 20 more mashup ideas yesterday, so there are about 50 now. Keep on sending mashup ideas either below in the comment section of this YouTube or on Facebook. Alright, I'm going to choose one. Okay, this one is from Suzanne Audette Allen. I believe this is from a Facebook entry, and she suggests a dog and donut mashup. Oh, this is going to be a yummy and fun mashup. All right, so number one rule, you cannot erase because everything you create will be perfect and beautiful all the time. And I'm using a Sharpie, so I can't erase. And I will show step by step, detail by putting up the drawing right here. And oh, I strategically placed a painting kind of to my side. As you know, the background is a work in progress. Okay, and also I draw pretty fast, so pause if you need to. Just pause the video. And again, you don't have to draw the dog and donut exactly like how I'm illustrating it. All right, so the first thing you need to draw will be a sort of like a raindrop shape for the dog's ear. So this is how I draw my puppies. All right, and then we will create the dog's head, or start. So draw a sort of like a bump or a curl right at the tip of the petal or raindrop shape, and then we'll complete the face of the dog. Then draw another bump, and it's cute, for the complete face or the nose. Okay? After you do that, draw one big eye, because as you may recall, most of my characters have one big eye, and a smaller one. Again, your puppy doesn't have to look like this. Alright? And same ways we've been creating pupils, draw smaller circles within the bigger circles, like so. And then draw even a smaller one on top of what you've just illustrated. Okay? And then fill them in. You can also fill in these parts later on. And you can even add color. Yeah, add color. Okay, then we'll add the adorable nose. So draw a circle somewhere at the tip of the second sort of circular part of the face that you illustrated. Okay, as you may know, all my characters are happy. So draw a big smile with a dimple. Okay, and we're almost done with the dog part. If you want, you can add some details, dots, in between the nose and the mouth. Okay? Are you ready for the donut part? So this is fun. So underneath the dog's head, draw sort of not so perfect circle around. And you'll see this is sort of like the beginning of the giant donut. So your circle does not have to be perfect. Okay. Then draw a smaller circle, the center of the donut, okay? And then we'll add some depth. So inside the smaller circle, draw sort of like another curved line, like a crescent moon. So this will give depth to the donut. Again, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. And then add a similar depth underneath the existing giant part of the donut. All right. Oh, another side note. When I paint murals at schools, I talk about a donut or share a donut because I tell them, do not touch it if you want it to last longer. Get it? Do not touch it. Donut. Okay, we'll continue. Okay, so speaking about the donuts, add sprinkles, or as you may know, here in Boston, we say jimmies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is my favorite number, so I have 15 there. Or you can do that later on with colored markers or colored pencil. Okay, at this point, it's pretty much complete. And I encourage you to be really creative and do something on your own. So what I would do is maybe I would add some hair and maybe a couple of paws on top. I love paws. And 2 more paws at the bottom. And then I'll add a tail. Ta-da! So we are now done with our donut dog. And I will sign this. So it's now signed. And guess who I will mail this to? Yep, I will mail this to Suzanne Audette Allen. So Suzanne, when you get a chance, email me your address at smileyb@bataclan.com. All right, so thank you. We are done with drawing demo number 3. And see you again tomorrow. Thank you very much and have fun drawing. Bye-bye.